Linking your YouTube channel to your AdWords account. In order to enter the awesome video advertising world Google offers you, you must have a Google AdWords account and link it to your YouTube channel. Google AdWords is Google's PPC, pay-per-click, online advertising platform, where you are able to advertise locally and globally to attract customers with the products that they are searching for. With Google AdWords, you can get your ad on Google today and be seen by as many customers as you want at the very moment that they are searching Google for the things you offer. You only pay when they click to visit your website or call. With Google AdWords, you can attract more customers, advertise locally or globally, reach the right people at the right time, and on top of that, you only pay for results. No visit, no fee, and you can start with any budget. That's different than the majority of other PPC or PPV networks where you have to deposit $100, $500, and even $1,000 just to get started. Previously, we shared some benefits about YouTube ads. Many, if not all of those benefits, generally apply to Google AdWords, but other benefits can be noticed as well. Over 1 million businesses rely on Google AdWords. That's a lot, and here's why. You can get your business found. If you need to gain website visitors, skyrocket your online sales, get the phones ringing, or keep customers buying from you, Google AdWords can be the best way to achieve it. You can connect with customers across the web. Besides engaging your existing customers, you can reach other relevant customers on other websites across the entire web. Options available in the platform will let you set up your targeting by website type, audience type, or even remarketing. You can take the guesswork out of your marketing. You'll get measurable, accountable, and flexible insights around the clock. You can stop, start, pause, and test your ads with Google AdWords. You can advertise at the right time and in the right place, be it locally or globally. You can reach your customers no matter the device they're on. In today's mobile world, you can't miss the chance to advertise on every device that your customers are using: desktop, laptop, tablet, and mobile. Getting started is pretty simple, too. By now, you should have your Google account already created. Just log in with the same login details, and that's about it. You are redirected to your Google AdWords dashboard, and you're ready to set up your first advertising campaign. Now, you'll be able to link your AdWords account to your YouTube channel. For that, we'll need to copy the customer ID number, which is located right at the top, in the top right corner of your Google AdWords account. Then go back to YouTube. Once you have logged in, you'll go straight to your YouTube dashboard by typing www.youtube.com/dashboard. Next to the Channel tab, you'll click on the little drop-down arrow, and then click on Advanced. There, you'll be able to edit some advanced settings. You can pick your country, add some channel keywords, allow or disable advertisements, and you'll have the ability to link your AdWords account. As you'll notice, linking your YouTube channel to an AdWords for Video account allows you to promote your video and access reporting. Just paste your customer ID number and click on Next. You'll need to assign a name to the AdWords account, set permissions for the account such as view counts and calls to action, remarketing, and engagement. Finally, click on Finish. Well, that was about it. Also, don't forget to go down and click on Save.